Hello, dear colleague. I'm sharing with you today my workshop about digital citizenship and safer internet day. So, because thanks God, I've got my MI expert and MI trainer for 2021-2022. Here I am sharing with my students first workshop about how to use the internet safely and what are the rules to do so in order or before you go online, and what are the things to have a good password. What are the things that you should do here? The students were very active. Even they made some dialogues between each other, and also they make a play where they play the roles of all social media, discussing it, like for example, as you see here, you will see in this picture that my students play the roles of the social media. They are reflecting, interacting, how every social media can immerse the students. This is the play picture of my students playing the role of it. So here, before you post, you have to think, and so what are the rules and what are the instructions. Yes, it was a very beneficial workshop that I made with my students. It was a year ago, I think. Yes, and I have shown them on the Microsoft website where also they can learn. And I see that, as you see, the digital citizenship is related to its quality education of the SDGs, the Sustainable Development Goals. Here also we make a workshop of drawing of all a big poster of all the sustainable development goals here with me. Okay, this is the beautiful poster just with painting. And also because I've got ambassador for the second year of the sustainable development goals. Thank you for listening to that video. And thank you also for watching. Please subscribe and like the video, and write me any comments and any questions. I'll be happy to answer.